Are you dreading the process of migrating your company's employee records into Rippling because you are terrified that one wrong spreadsheet column will mess up your entire payroll, corrupt tax calculations, or send accidental onboarding invites to hundreds of staff members before you are ready? Transitioning your HR infrastructure to a new system is notoriously nerve-wracking for HR managers and operations leaders. The fear of broken data mapping, missing social security numbers, mismatched pay rates, and system errors is entirely valid. However, bulk importing employee data into Rippling does not have to be a stressful trial-and-error nightmare. When you follow the precise preparation and execution steps, Rippling's automated engine processes your workforce files smoothly, accurately, and securely. To get started, the very first thing you need to understand is that clean inputs yield clean results. Before you touch the upload button inside your Rippling dashboard, you must prepare your source data. Open your master spreadsheet from your previous HRIS or payroll software. Look for essential profile identifiers, legal first and last names, personal email addresses, work emails, home addresses, dates of birth, social security numbers, hire dates, job titles, department assignments, employment types like full-time or contractor, and hourly or salaried compensation rates. The biggest trap companies fall into during this phase is inconsistent formatting. Dates must follow standard numerical formatting such as month, day, and year. Phone numbers should be stripped of unusual symbols, and currency values must be formatted as raw numbers without dollar signs or text labels. Once your master file is formatted cleanly, log into your Rippling Administrator dashboard. From the main left-hand navigation menu, navigate directly to the HR tab and select the Company Directory or People section. Near the top right corner of the directory dashboard, locate the Options or Settings drop-down menu and select the function labeled Import Data or Hire Multiple Employees via CSV. Rippling will immediately present you with an option to download their official pre-formatted CSV template. Do not skip using Rippling's official template. Trying to upload your raw spreadsheet directly without aligning it to Rippling's system header structure is the single fastest way to encounter mass validation errors. Download the provided template file, open it alongside your export file, and paste your cleaned employee information directly under the corresponding column headers in the template. Pay ultra-close attention to columns that involve system logic, such as manager emails or department names. If you assign an employee to a manager whose email is not included in the import file or does not already exist in Rippling, the system will flag that row as an error. After saving your updated template strictly as a CSV file format, return to the Rippling import wizard and upload the document. Once uploaded, Rippling enters the critical data mapping and preview stage. The platform automatically scans your columns and maps them to internal system fields. Take your time here. Verify that Rippling correctly matches your file's columns, such as mapping your legal name column to legal name, work email to work email, and base pay to base pay. If you have custom employee fields set up in Rippling, manually select the matching custom field from the drop-down pick list to ensure those specific data points transfer accurately. Next, Rippling runs an automated pre-import validation scan to detect any missing required fields, duplicate email addresses, or invalid data types. If the system highlights red error indicators or yellow warning flags, read the contextual system notes carefully. Common warnings include missing direct deposit details, incomplete emergency contacts, or invalid zip codes. Fix these flagged cells directly in your spreadsheet, resave the file, and re-upload. Before clicking the final Submit button, you will reach the onboarding configuration step. This is where you control system communication and account activation. Rippling gives you the explicit choice to either send immediate automated system invitation emails to all newly imported employees or hold off on notifications so you can conduct an administrative audit first. If you are still setting up company policies, benefits, or app integrations, select the option to keep profiles staged or uninvited until your official rollout date. Once you double-check all data mappings and notification settings, finalize the process by clicking Complete Import. Rippling instantly processes the dataset, generating complete individual employee profiles, establishing organizational chart hierarchies based on assigned manager emails, and organizing department groups across the platform. Spot check 3 to 5 diverse employee profiles across different departments and employment types to ensure their personal, tax, job, and compensation tabs reflect your original records perfectly. By systematically preparing your source data, utilizing the native template, carefully mapping fields, and managing invitation timing, you eliminate system risk and achieve a flawless employee data import into Rippling.